Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Nissan Murano in neutral when its battery is dead. First, you'll need to access the shift lock release. Look for a small cover near your shift lever, usually a tiny slot or cap. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to gently pry this cover open. This reveals the manual override mechanism you'll need to engage. Once the cover is off, you'll see a small button or lever inside the slot. This is your shift lock release. Insert your screwdriver or a key into this opening and press down firmly. You must keep this release pressed down throughout the next step. This action manually overrides the electronic lock, allowing the shift lever to move freely. While still holding down the shift lock release, firmly grasp the shift lever. Now, carefully move the shift lever from the park position into neutral. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle is on a level surface before doing this, as it will now be able to roll freely. Always be mindful of your surroundings and any potential hazards for safety. After successfully shifting to neutral, immediately engage your parking brake to prevent the vehicle from rolling. You can now safely move or tow your Murano. Your next step should be to address the dead battery, either by jump-starting it or getting it charged. If you're ever unsure about any step, it's always best to consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.